I'm Dr. Whitney Burrell. I'm with South Bay Plastic Surgeons. So today we're going to be working on Brian. Brian came to me because he was worried about a little extra fullness in his lower face. He's in great shape, he's fit, but his face is a little fuller than he wants it through no fault of his own. It's not a diet and weight loss situation. It's a result of something called buccal fat. It's a very small but powerful fat pad right in the cheek, but it can cause someone to look like they might have a chipmunky look. To address that, I just excise it through an incision inside the mouth. There are no external incisions. Very quick, very painless. A smooth and quick procedure, but really powerful for just kind of changing the dynamic of that contour.